What's up guys, I'm Akila. For those of you guys who are new, welcome. And in today's video we're going to be tackling eyeshadow. I've seen you girls comments. I know you guys say that you're struggling with your eyeshadow, so I'm going to show you like the most basic eyeshadow application that I know. So if you want to see how I do that, please keep on watching. Okay, for eyeshadow, you should always set or prime your lid. There are things out there like eyeshadow primers, but I don't use those anymore. Like when I'm doing my makeup, I like to apply concealer in this area and then I set it with a powder. So that's my version of priming my lid. In this tutorial, I'm going to be using my Soft Glam palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. When it comes to eyeshadow, you need a transition color. Some people like brown shades. I guess it depends on the look. And then some people like to use shades that are brown but with like a tinge of orange or red in it. It really just depends on the look that you're going for. See, in the Makeup Shade palette, like she has a few colors that would be transition colors. You can use something like this, which is an orange, a brick color, or even this brown orangey shade. It's all about preference, but you need a transition color. For me, and in this video, I'm going to be using this shade right here, Rustic, and I'm going to be using the Morphe M504 brush. This is my favorite brush. I can't live without this brush. And I'm going to take Rustic and put it in my crease. I like to take the brush, like tap it at the end and then go like that. Windshield wiper motions. You don't want to apply too much product when you're first starting, so make sure you tap and then get right into it. You could always add more product, but it's always a little harder to get rid of putting too much. So you go ahead and put that in there and you blend. You could also take a little bit and like bring it in on the edge a little. Now looking at my eyes, I feel like I want to add a little bit of warmth, so I'm going to use a little bit of sienna and also apply that to my crease to add some more. With colors like this, you could add anything to your lid. You could put blue, purple, pink. You could add any color. But for me, since I'm doing more of a natural glam today, I'm going to use the color Bronze. And I'm going to use this Wet n Wild brush right here. A tip is, if when you're using glittery shades, if you don't want to have fallout on your face, you should wet your brush. I wet my brush with some Fix Plus and I'm going to tap right into Bronze and apply that to my lid. Look how vibrant that is. I'm just focusing that on my lid. I'm going to bring it to my tear duct. And if you do get any fallout, you could take a powder brush and sweep it from under your eye. And if you find that this looks a little harsh, you could take your blending brush and blend it on in. You could stop here, but if you want a little more definition, you could take a darker brown color like Cypress Umber and add it into right here. Just tap it in right here and blend it in to your crease. Now for my bottom lash line, I'm going to take the color Sienna and put it on my bottom lash line. And then on top of that, I'm going to use Cypress Umber, the dark brown shade, and I'm gonna put it on top. And then from here, you could take a clean blending brush and like blow everything out so it doesn't have any harsh lines. I'm gonna add some black liner. I'm using the ColourPop Cream Gel eyeliner in black. Is it called black? No, it's called Swerve. I'm gonna add that onto my lower lash line. And you could take another brush and like smudge it out. For my eyelashes, I'm going to use a primer, eyelash primer. It's called the Colossal Big Shot by Maybelline. Instead of it being white like most primer mascaras, it's black and it has little fibers in it. And after I put on the primer, I'm going to use the L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara in Carbon Black, and I'm gonna apply that to my lower lash line. Today I'm gonna skip eyeliner and just apply some eyelashes. Eyeliner is another struggle and a half. I think I'm gonna do a whole separate video just for eyeliner. Okay, well this wraps up my eyeshadow look. I hope I helped you guys at least a little bit. I know the eyeshadow struggle, like it took me a while to start wearing eyeshadow because I just never knew what to do. So I hope you guys could take a few of my tips and apply them to your makeup routine. This wraps up my series on how to get a natural makeup look. And if you missed any of the other videos before, those will be linked down below and they will be at the end of the video. So you guys will be able to click and choose which you guys would like to watch. So thank you guys so much for watching. Bye. See you next time.